To customize always on display on the Samsung A37 5G, first of all, you will have to open the settings, and those settings are actually available in the two different places. The first one, you probably already know this one, the lock screen and AOD, always on display. And here what you can do, you can hide the now bar, you can also change the turn on option, so to get the real always, select always, you can get this for new notifications, or for example as scheduled if you want. But this is not everything, because when you go into the settings one more time and open themes, we can simply go for AODs. And now when you go for the top, what we can do, we can just download those things, right? We can download those those clock styles by clicking here. But it's not even everything, because there's something hidden a little bit. Take a look. When you go for the Galaxy Store and open applications, you have to get this one, Good Luck application. You have to download this one and open on your A37 5G. Next, we have to go for a Lockstar. We have to get this plugin, and you will be surprised because when you click here, you can switch to the always on display. And you can, for example, change the always on display brightness. You can increase or decrease. As default, this is the automatic brightness, but you can force to run at the top brightness. And when you take a look here, you can find the different clock faces styles thanks to this plugin. So it's even more advanced. Yeah, we have to go for Studio, for My Clock if you want to create your own, or for those faces, you will have to mark it. Click here, and now as you can see, it will be applied. Like for example this one. So yeah, that's how we can actually do this. And that will be everything. Thank you so much for watching.